What's up, everybody? It's time for another post-Tenebras Love Bible Raffle. These Bible raffles are to help the Rice family. That's Jeffrey and Catherine Rice, the owners of Post-Tenebras Lux Bible Rebinding. If you are not aware, Catherine had their baby boy Titus, TJ, a few months early, really early. And he's going to be in the NICU for a while. But he's been gaining weight really well, and Catherine's healthy. They're really optimistic, and we're really excited about the progress that TJ's making. But it's still really hard for a family to make all their financial obligations and really be able to be at the hospital as much as they'd like to. So we're wanting to help raise money for them to travel, lodging while they're staying in Nashville so they can be close to their son. Now I know Jeffrey's still trying to make some rebinds, but his Bible output's been severely affected, rightfully so, because he wants to be there with his family. And we want to be able to help him do that. So this Bible is it's the Big Mac. Y'all, the giant, humongous John MacArthur Preacher's Bible from Steadfast. This Bible was donated by the great folks at Steadfast Bibles. It was given to Dave Delfino at Cherry Hill Bibles, and Dave bound it for us. It's super heavy deerskin. You can see how beautiful this spine work is. It has a red calfskin liner with these custom end sheets. Why don't I tell you a little bit more about this Bible while you watch this amazing montage. The Big Mac. This is the 1995 NASB. It's on 65 GSM paper. This is a verse-by-verse, single-column layout with a 10.5 point font and 1.5 inch margins. This is line matched with a concordance. And did I mention that beautiful liner and those hand-dyed end sheets? And this heavy deerskin is, so nice. So, you want to win this beautiful, amazing Bible? Well, it's pretty easy. Go to PayPal, number 1. Number 2, send your donation/raffle money to custom.bible.fundraiser@gmail.com. Every dollar you send gives yourself an entry into the drawing. Send $20, you get 20 entries. Send $100, you get 100 entries. Be sure to use friends and family, since this is a donation and I'm not selling anything. So please, donate what you can. Help us raise a little money for this family, and you might win this amazing Bible in the process. So please, somebody win this amazing Bible. All the money sent to custom.bible.fundraiser@gmail through PayPal between February 11th and February 18th will be entered into the raffle for this Bible. And we'll have 3 more weeks after that of raffles. I'm excited for you. This is an amazing Bible. No joke. It's amazing. And I hope you win. Take care.